You are already on the wall. Yes. I had the pleasure handing over to you the real Nobel Peace Prize.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I hope you will use it for the purpose most in your mind.
Yes, actually, as soon as you say I heard how today this prize, in my mind, the first thought was I want to do something for those people on this same planet who are facing starvation. So you say some portion of this money I want to contribute for, how to say, project for hunger.
Yeah.
Then second thing, I very much want to contribute. You see, in India, there are some organization who look after what say lepers.
Yes. Yes.
So actually, you see, last few occasion I made some small contribution. So now from this, some money I want to contribute for that project. Then another thing, I want to contribute some of those existing institutions who are make effort for world peace.
Yeah.
So I want to contribute
Yes.
something. Then another thing, another portion, some Tibetan institution, mainly in education.
Yeah.
I want to use some money. Then I want to establish foundation, Tibetan Foundation for Universal Responsibility. So I will.
Yes.
These are my
Very
idea.
good purposes. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.